In this video, I will show you how to crop video in Premiere Pro. And before we go any further, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and consider sharing this video with others. And if you have any question, always leave that in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's get started. So in order to crop the video, you have to go to the effects panel. If it is not shown over here, go to the windows and select the effects. And that way this panel would be visible. And now search for the crop. And here you will see under the transform crop option, just drag this effect over your clip and thereafter just go to the effects control panel again. If it is not shown over here, go to the windows and select the effects control panel, and that way it would be visible somewhere around here. And now here, if you come down in the bottom in the crop, there is a effects called crop, and here we have the 4 options. We can crop from the left, top, right and bottom. And we just need to hold our mouse and drag it either to the right side to crop it from the left, and if you want to crop from the right, just go to the right option and crop. We can again crop from the top, we can even crop from the bottom. Alright, and if you want to reset any of the parameters, just click on this reset button next to it, and that's going to reset everything. So this is how we can crop any video in Premiere Pro. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.